money laundering and terrorist financing, two of the most significant threats to the global financial system. The consequences of inadequate anti-money laundering measures can be devastating: legal penalties, reputational damage, and financial loss. World Academy UK is one of the largest professional certification institutes in the world, having a presence in around 100 countries, offering the Certified Anti-Money Laundering Specialist for all professionals across the globe. That is why the Certified Anti-Money Laundering Specialist program is designed to provide professionals like you with a comprehensive understanding of anti-money laundering regulations, strategies, and best practices. Through a combination of theoretical knowledge, real-world case studies, and practical exercises, you will develop the skills to assess and mitigate anti-money laundering risks, implement effective compliance programs, and protect your organization from financial crime. You will learn how to design and implement anti-money laundering policies, conduct customer due diligence, and monitor and report suspicious activities. You will also gain expertise in applying financial technology and digital solutions to improve anti-money laundering effectiveness. Upon completion, you will have the expertise to lead anti-money laundering compliance efforts and ensure financial integrity. You will be a certified specialist, equipped to combat money laundering and terrorist financing in any industry. Join the Certified Anti-Money Laundering Specialist program today and take the first step towards a safer, more secure financial future. Enroll now and become a leader in anti-money laundering compliance. For more information, visit us at www.worldacademy.uk.